through the heart and left to bleed.
The cold months can be brutal. This season, instead of catching cold, warm up with the brand new Instaheater. The Instaheater is a compact, programmable heating device for interior warmth and comfort that will take you from chilly to chill in a matter of seconds. Never again let the cold sabotage your moment. Simply plug Instaheater into any outlet, turn it on, get cozy, set your temperature, and let the warmth bring you closer together.